Imagine you're just starting your investing journey. You've got a small amount of money to spare, but you want to make it grow. You've heard about Stash, a popular investing app that promises to make investing easy. But is it really the right choice for beginners like you? In today's video, we're going to dive deep into Stash and see if it's a good fit for those just starting out in investing. We'll cover everything from its user-friendly interface to its investment options and fees. But first, let's talk about why investing is important. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you reach your financial goals, whether it's buying a house, saving for retirement, or simply building wealth. It's a great way to make your money work for you instead of just sitting in a bank account. What is Stash? Stash is a mobile investing app that makes it easy for anyone to start investing. It offers a variety of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. One of the biggest selling points of Stash is its simplicity. The app is designed to be user-friendly, even for those with no prior investing experience. Stash's key features. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make Stash attractive to beginners. Easy-to-use interface. Stash has a clean and intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you should be able to figure out how to use the app without much trouble. Fractional shares. One of Stash's most popular features is the ability to buy fractional shares of stocks. This means you don't have to invest a large sum of money to own a piece of a company. Automated investing. Stash offers automated investing features, such as automatic deposits and recurring investments. This can help you stick to your investing goals and make it easier to save money. Educational resources. Stash provides educational resources to help you learn more about investing. This includes articles, videos, and quizzes. Is Stash good for beginners? Now that we've covered some of the key features of Stash, let's discuss whether it's a good choice for beginners. The short answer is yes, Stash can be a great option for beginners. Here are some reasons why Stash is a good fit for those just starting out. Low minimum investment. Stash has a low minimum investment, making it accessible to almost everyone. User-friendly interface. The app is designed to be easy to use, even for those with no prior investing experience. Educational resources. Stash provides educational resources to help you learn more about investing. Automated investing. Automated investing features can help you stick to your investing goals and make it easier to save money. Potential drawbacks. While Stash offers many benefits, it's important to note that there are also some potential drawbacks. Fees. Stash charges fees for its services. These fees can add up over time, so it's important to understand what you're paying. Limited investment options. While Stash offers a variety of investment options, it may not be as comprehensive as some other investing platforms. Lack of personalized advice. Stash doesn't provide personalized investment advice. You'll need to do your own research or consult with a financial advisor. So, is Stash the right choice for you as a beginner investor? The answer depends on your individual needs and goals. If you're looking for a simple, user-friendly way to start investing with a small amount of money, Stash can be a great option. However, it's important to do your own research and consider the potential drawbacks before making a decision. You may also want to explore other investing options to see what best suits your needs. If you're interested in learning more about Stash or exploring other investing options, be sure to check out the resources in the description below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.